Hi guys! Today I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 10. So if you open any link from email or from desktop, it will probably open in your default browser. In Windows 10 it's Microsoft Edge, so let's change that into Google Chrome. So we need to do two things. First is download and install Google Chrome. If you've done it already, you need to go to settings. So let's press Windows key or go to start menu and search for default apps. And in the settings you can change the web browser from the default Microsoft Edge just by clicking on that tile, and on the list you can choose which one you prefer. In this case we want to change into Google Chrome, and it automatically change also the icon of any link. When now you will open any link, it will open up in your favorite browser, which in that case is Google Chrome. So this is how it works. Hopefully it helps you, and thanks for watching.